Forget the gym. Forget expensive machines. All you need is gravity. Every push-up, every jump, every drop of sweat, that's your gym. Calisthenics isn't just training, it's a battle against your own limits. And when you use it right, it becomes one of the most powerful tools for burning fat fast. In this video, you'll learn how to use your body to burn calories, shred fat, and build lean muscle anywhere, anytime. Let's start your transformation. No gym required. Step 1. Understand how calisthenics burns fat. First, you need to understand why calisthenics works for fat loss. When you use your own body weight, you engage multiple muscle groups at once, meaning you burn more calories per movement compared to traditional weightlifting. Think about exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, jump squats, or push-ups. They're not just working your muscles, they're boosting your heart rate like crazy. That combination of strength and cardio is the ultimate recipe for burning fat. So remember, the goal isn't just to move, it's to move intensely and efficiently. Step 2. Focus on full-body compound movements. To lose fat fast, you want exercises that target multiple muscles at the same time. These compound moves build muscle and burn calories in one shot. Here are 5 of the most effective calisthenics exercises for fat loss. Burpees. They're brutal, but they skyrocket your heart rate and hit every major muscle group. Jump squats. Explosive power plus leg endurance equals calorie destruction. Push-ups. Focus on different variations, standard, diamond, or decline, to engage more muscles. Mountain climbers. Great for the core, shoulders, and cardiovascular burn. And plank to push-up. Builds core stability and upper body endurance while keeping your heart rate high. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds per exercise. Rest for 15 seconds, then move to the next one. That's 1 round. Complete 4 to 5 rounds, and you'll have a killer fat-burning circuit. No equipment needed. Step 3. Use HIIT to maximize fat burn. If your goal is pure fat loss, then HIIT, high-intensity interval training, is your best friend. Here's how to structure it with calisthenics. 30 seconds of intense exercise, 15 seconds rest, repeat for 5 to 6 exercises. Rest for 1 minute between rounds, do 4 of 5 rounds total. This structure keeps your metabolism elevated for hours even after your workout. It's called the afterburn effect, and that's what makes calisthenics so efficient for getting lean. Try a sample HIIT circuit like this. Jump squats for 30 seconds, push-ups for 30 seconds, mountain climbers for 30 seconds, burpees for 30 seconds, and plank hold for 30 seconds. Short, simple, effective. You can do it anywhere, your living room, a park, or your backyard. Step 6. Build a weekly routine. Here's a simple weekly plan for consistent fat loss. Monday, full body HIIT, 4 rounds of 5 exercises. Tuesday, active recovery, light jog, stretching, mobility. Wednesday, core and cardio circuit. Thursday, upper body calisthenics, push-ups, dips, pike push-ups. Friday, lower body HIIT, jump squats, lunges, step-ups. Saturday, full body challenge, burpees, mountain climbers, jump lunges. Sunday, rest or yoga. Remember, fat loss is about consistency, not perfection. You don't have to go all out every day. Just stay active, stay moving, and keep showing up. Now let's talk about the common mistakes that stop people from getting results. 1. Doing random workouts. Jumping between exercises with no plan won't get you far. Stick to a structured routine. Track what you do, increase difficulty over time. 2. Neglecting rest and recovery. Overtraining leads to burnout and injury. Rest days are part of the process. They help your muscles rebuild stronger. 3. Not pushing hard enough. Calisthenics only burns fat when you challenge yourself. If your workouts feel too easy, increase intensity. Go faster, add reps, shorten rest. 4. Ignoring nutrition. You can do 1,000 burpees a day, but if you're overeating junk, you'll stay stuck. Calories in versus calories out still matters. 5. Lack of consistency. The secret isn't doing everything perfectly, it's doing something consistently. Even 20 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Calisthenics isn't just about getting lean, it's about building a body that moves freely, feels powerful, and looks athletic. You don't need a gym, you don't need machines, just your body and your willpower. So start today. Pick 5 exercises, set a timer, and push yourself harder than you did yesterday. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a fitness boost. And remember, the best workout is the one you actually do. Now get moving and start your calisthenics fat loss journey today.